Hey guys, welcome back to another Swift programming logic tutorial, and this is a really important one, so I don't know why I didn't do this earlier, but basically I'm going to be talking about what classes are and how you use them. So the first thing I want to do is I want to create a project, but I actually want to create a playground. So what I'll do, go up here and I'll create a new playground. And I can close this. Oh, okay, I can just create playground, since it'll just be easier to demonstrate instead of having to use classes outside of a view controller. So I'm just going to call this wait, let me save this in my YouTube folder. Xcode, where's YouTube? There we go, YouTube. I'll just save this as a class. Oh, do I have to create a new folder as well? Oh my god, okay. Class demo. And we'll save it inside of here. Playground. So, what I'm going to do, let me just close this now, because I don't need this. Okay, right. So, the first thing I want to do is I'm going to be demonstrating what classes are and how you can use them. And classes are pretty similar to structs, but the main difference is that you can use inheritance. So I'll show you how to use that. But first I'm going to just create a basic class. So we used the keyword class, and now it's kind of like just defining a struct. So the example I'll use for this one is cars. I'll just do it normal car. Actually, we can just do car. And what we can do is we can create let. So let car name, and this is a string. Let's what else can we have? Let's have car color, and this can also be a string. So now we can just create a car like the same way you'd use a struct. You can just say let's BMW equals car. Oh, and you also need to initialize it. So the way we do that is we can just we have to create the init, so we just initialize it inside of this class. Init car name string and car color string. That's just important because without initializing it, it won't actually be able to register. And then you have to go inside of here and set self.car name equals car name, and self dot oh wait, we should probably change these so they aren't exactly the same. Okay, self dot car name equals name, and self dot color car color equals color. Oh, I'm getting so confused here. Let me just put these back. Okay, now I can just leave the initializer there. Okay, so now we've initialized it, we can just create our BMW car, the car name BMW, and car color, let's just say blue. And we can print this now, so we can just print the whole BMW, or you can print certain colors. So I'll just run this now, and we'll see what happens. So this is pretty simple, same way you'd use a struct. You wouldn't even have to initialize a struct. So I'd say structs are more useful for this kind of thing. Wait, what? Oh, maybe we can't. Okay, I'll just print the actual car name, print it there. Okay, there we go, and you can print the car color. Let's print that there as well. There. So now let's create a new class. Actually, this is just going to be a subclass of this, and we're going to show how you can use inheritance. So class sports car, and we can just make this inherited from normal car. And what we're going to use here is this will inherit all of the properties from this, and then we can also add a new property. So let's just say let highest or top speed, since you don't really know that in a normal car, but for the sports car you do, you know. So let top speed, and this can be a int. And now has no initializers. I'll just fix that again. Init top speed. I should probably make this a camel case. Top speed string in, and self dot top speed equals top speed. Wait, how have I got speed? Okay, and now we can create a new car over here, which wait, well, I'll just make this an optional, then close this. So hopefully that works. Wait, what? Okay, I guess that works too. Okay, so now we can just create an F1 car. So let's just say F1 car, and we can create a self-type sports car. And now we can create the car name and car color. So we can just say Mercedes. Don't even know if I spelled that right. And then we'll just make this silver. But then we can also F1 car.top speed. We can change this to like 200. So we've inherited the these two features from this class, but we've also managed to get this class. So now we can just print this like all three of these values, and this can be useful for, if you've noticed in the view controller class, you can inherit that and then just add something else. So I print this here, we'll get let me just run this. If this wants to run. Oh, forgot to print it, of course. Print F1 car.top speed. Okay, and I'll just run that there. Okay, so yeah, that was just how you use classes, and in a future tutorial I'll probably explain the big difference between class and structs, but yeah, this is just basically it, inheritance. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. This is how you use classes with inheritance.